You can also send me question paper.
So, hi everyone, this is MP Builder, and our kids are also participating in the event Artify, which is a part of Indradhanush. So, are you all enjoying this event?
Yes, we are enjoying and having fun.
That's great. All the best to all of you, and let's move. So, here I had the prestigious opportunity to have a talk with the chief guest of the day, Dr. Shan Bhattacharya. So, that I did in a hurry because he had to leave early. We had a press meet with him and where we could ask him questions, but he had to leave because he had some work. So I personally went up to him and asked a question which won't be audible to you all because it wasn't recorded properly. The question may not be unique, but the moment was. So, hi everyone, here we are with Shweta ma'am of Lakshmipad Singhania Academy. So, ma'am, can you describe everything about this event we are having today?
Yes, so we are having Exhibit, which is an AI and an IT fest, which we have every year. This is the 13th edition we are having this year. I'm taking care of two events. I just had one, which was called Paint It All. So the Paint 3D app was used to show the future of AI in schools and how children imagine that their classrooms in the future will be. And the event which I have tomorrow, it's called Create APK. That's a app making event where students have to design an app for personal help of people. So whether it's weather app or fitness or finance, however it will help people individually. So I think this is a very unique fest which we have, where the emphasis is on IT and tech because it's coming up and it's advancing, and the children who are so interested in all these areas can show their prowess and talent.
Alright, ma'am. Yes, indeed, all the events are very creative. Thank you, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you so much.
So, hi everyone, here we are with the event head of Paint It All. So, as I know, the topic of the event is future of AI in schools. So, how do you interpret this topic?
The,
No, you don't need to.
it is the future of AI in schools. They have to make a presentation on Paint 3D. They have to use their imagination according to them. What will be the future of AI in schools? Like projections, robots will be there. Teachers might get replaced, not fully, but to a certain.
In this room, the event Scratch Your Head is going on. Let's talk to the event head. So, hi, you are the event head of Scratch Your Head, right?
Hello everyone, my name is Devan Sultanan and I am the event in charge of Scratch Your Head.
Yeah, so this event is basically related to coding. Now, what do you think these small children will be impacted by doing this scratch or the coding thing?
I have a lot of hope in these children and I believe that with the right guidance they can make beautiful programs which can help us to solve our day-to-day problems.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So, now let us have a talk with the participants of our school in Scratch It. So, why are you into this event? What makes you, superior to other participants for this event?
I love coding, I love Scratch, that's why I'm in this event.
That's too straightforward, and I love that. Thank you. So, you are the event heads of Artify, right? So, how is it managing the entire event?
In this event, we get to see the creativity of different schools and how they present it, and we get to know about the superheroes and what superheroes are, and from their perspective as well. But managing is a challenge for us because we have to go from here to there to get the participant list to see how they're doing and if they need anything. So it's a challenge for us.
Overall, it was a great experience, and we also got to see the new creative danglers made by them. So it was a great experience, and we also learned the sense of responsibility to how to manage the event overall.
Thank you. I myself have been a part of, managing a particular event. So, I know how it is. Thank you. So, after witnessing a set of events, we are here taking an errand around the campus of LSA. So, as you can see, our school has been participating in several events, a set of events today, a set of events tomorrow. And of course, a participant's dream is to win an event. Now, currently, I think this is the basketball court of LSA, and that's it. I think all the participants, the best part is all the participants are confident with their event, and so are we. And we think that may the best school win.